The ErgoFoam adjustable footrest is not your average office footrest. It's customizable to your needs, and you can adjust it in 3 ways. The normal way with the base attached, inverted, or detached. This desk footrest is made the only footrest brand endorsed by US chiropractors, so you know you're getting a high-quality product. The footrest is easy to adjust to the optimum height for your chair and leg length. This means you get the support you need for long-lasting comfort, better posture, and relief from lumbar, back, and leg pain. Unlike other footstools that are the wrong height or not adjustable at all, the ErgoFoam adjustable footrest is customizable to your needs. The average office footrest may be great for the first 15 minutes, but it starts to flatten out due to low-quality foam that's too soft and flimsy. The ErgoFoam adjustable footrest, on the other hand, is made with high-density foam that maintains its shape and firmness over time. It resists compression under the weight of your legs and feet, providing better support than memory foam footrests.